Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about landing pages. Landing pages are very important, and let's say for example if I'm promoting ebook as my lead magnet, I need to have a landing page. So you can see that you can go to this website which is known as Getresponse. It's a fantastic site. You can see Getresponse, and they do have a lot of features, and one of key feature is they provide landing page builder as well. So you can try this tool for free. 30-day trial and no credit card is required. Right, so just an email ID you can start. So let's say you can see that I want to build a landing page. They have got a lot of templates, and you can see that I want to promote, let's say a video, or let's say promotion or sign up or sales or webinars. So let's say if I click on promotion, let's say sign up or sign up registration, you can see a lot of tools, a lot of templates we are seeing here. So let's say for example I'll go with sign up and registration. So that is important. So you can see that there are a lot of tools that you can use. Fine, so that is important. And let me see if I can find a template for, let's say all templates. Let me see if we can find for ebook. You can see downloads, nice. And you can see that holiday guide, this is book. You can see this is a book, right? And let's say this is again a book. Fine, so what I will do is I'll just click here, select a template, and you can use this template. So I can name this as, that's ebook. So for example digital marketing, and then I can use this template. So you can see that we do have thank you page as well. And what I'll do is I'll just quickly edit this landing page as well. It's very easy. So if you have a web developer or a graphic designer, you can build landing pages very quickly. Okay, so okay, don't show this again, that's okay. So they're also gonna give us pop-ups, so you can see that. So for example, stay up to date with, let's say, latest digital marketing trends. Update with latest digital marketing trends. You can do a lot of things. Trends. And this period fine, boost your sales. And then you can also work here. You can change this images, 26 pages, and this is your name and email address. So this is easy. You can make a landing page, and then you're gonna have thank you page. So what you can do is you can put all your tracking codes here on thank you page. So that is important. So you can easily, then you can always see preview as well. So if I click preview, you will see preview here, and you can see that this is how it will look on desktop, and this is how it will look in mobile device. So that's important. You can easily create landing pages. So this is one tool that you can use, but there are a lot of other tools as well which you can use to create a strong landing page as well.